looks better than mine today. I'm being one-upped by a cock. Hi, I am back with Coco. This is my rooster. It's been a while since you've been here. Welcome. Shit. A lot of people have been asking me what my backyard chickens eat. We have lots of chicken pellets that we feed them. But they do need to have their treats too. When I'm not feeding them human meat, I typically turn to the leftover scraps in my refrigerator. But mostly, my rule of thumb is if I wouldn't eat it myself, I'm not gonna feed it to my birds. So that means like no mold, nothing that's way too salty or sugary. There are a few items on the no list that you must always look out for. Don't feed your chickens anything you wouldn't feed to a cat or a dog either. So chocolate is a no-go. Don't feed them any sorts of beans. They have a fatal toxin in them. No avocados, no tomatoes, eggplants, or apple seeds. Same reason. No green potatoes and no potato peels. No green onions and nothing with caffeine. I used to have one who would eat pigeons, but she also tried to kill me. You want to make sure that they're digesting okay too, so just make sure you're always feeling for their crops and making sure they're doing good. Cogs, where are you trying to go? Okay, some of our farm favorites are cheese, for sure cheese, grain, and corn. Bread and veggies are also very good. And then bugs, good source of protein, but they'll find those all on their own. But overall, chickens are not picky.
It's corn. Get some, little one. That's right.
What you think, little guy? Cogs. You can train your roosters to be very sweet. Oh gosh. Coco, this is absurd. How do I even get you down? You're not free to leave. He's like, see ya, good show. He's a good boy.
Please subscribe to Max channel for more.